Here's a game changer for every kitchen: the one-touch electric can opener. With smart one-touch operation, it takes the hassle out of opening cans. Just press a button, and it automatically detects the lid's shape and size. No more struggling with manual openers. Once it's done, press stop, and you're left with an open can, effortlessly. It's the perfect blend of convenience and innovation. This can opener fits all sizes and shapes of cans. Whether it's a round can, square can, or even a unique shape, it handles them all. From canned tomatoes to meats and vegetables, it does the job with ease. Say goodbye to jagged edges. The smooth edge cutting ensures safety, so no more accidental cuts or messes. This feature is especially useful when handling cans with sharp lids, making it a must-have in every kitchen. Designed for everyone, it's perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, and anyone who wants a hassle-free experience. With its lightweight and compact design, it's simple to use and easy to store. No more struggling with stiff manual can openers. Just one press, and the job is done. Its ergonomic design ensures that anyone, regardless of strength or dexterity, can enjoy the convenience it offers. This isn't just for seniors, it's a time saver for busy parents and chefs alike. While preparing meals, it allows you to focus on cooking rather than fumbling with tricky lids. It's also great for those with freshly manicured nails who want to keep their hands free from strain. Powered by 4 AA batteries, this can opener delivers reliable performance every time. No cords, no clutter, just smooth operation. The long battery life ensures you won't have to replace them frequently, giving you hassle-free use for months. Whether you're cooking for yourself or gifting a loved one, this is the perfect kitchen companion. Upgrade your kitchen today with the one-touch electric can opener and experience the future of effortless cooking.